You know, the technology is moving so fast. When I'm in New York City, I will sit down at restaurants and there'll be two parents and two children. They don't even look at each other. They're staring at their little thing, and nobody's communicating. So I guess we have to go that extreme before we pull back a little bit. But I know the parents of younger children, because I'm coming here tomorrow to read to them, I know that they don't want their children to be staring at a screen 24/7. They'd like a little balance. So thanks for asking that question. There's a little girl who's had Tara's message. Her name is Lilac. She's so sweet. Her mother said that she's had Tara's message for several years, the book for several years, and she said every single night she talks to her. It's almost like she's in the room with them. And she is an angel, and she could be in the room with them, but Lilac believes she is. So she has a guide just from reading this book. And I don't know, I think that's life-changing, don't you?